Hello, I'm Delaina, and I would like to read a poem to you that I wrote called The Language of Rain. I wrote this poem for my brother and also for my family as we heal from the grief and his loss. So it's a very personal poem. We all encounter grief and feel that all the emotions that grief is. So I hope that this poem brings you comfort too. The language of rain. What does a raindrop feel before it shatters on the pavement? Does it scream? Does it find wholeness when it sees its own reflection in the puddle? When it rains, I wonder what my brother's last thoughts were. Held in death's embrace, his voice muffled by startling feathers in another realm. Back then, I missed his cry for help. I still ask and listen. If I learned the language of rain, would I hear his answer? Meanwhile, my hands instinctively cup and catch the droplets to place them gently in the chasm of puddles. I'm not sure if it's an act of penance or devotion, or the buoyancy of hope that the voice of the unrescuable will float to the surface just to scream in the rainstorm. So, yeah, that is the language of rain. I hope if you are also experiencing grief and feeling all of the emotions that loss leaves behind, I hope it brings you some peace in love, light, and poetry. Thanks for listening.